control per centimeter of distance. Right? So it wants to follow at 15 centimeters, and if it's not at 15 centimeters, there's a feedback control. So the block diagram of the controller looks like this. There's a desired distance coming in, and then there's a summer. Actual distance is here, measured from the ultrasonic sensor. And then there's a gain, K equals 1. And this is PWM percent. That's what's going out. All right. There's an offset in this thing. There's actually an offset here. 70% nominal operating speed. Just to sort of, 70% nominal PWM. All right. This is the controller. Right? This is the desired command. This is the measured. So this is the command that goes out like an analog voltage to the train motor. You have to fill in the rest of the block diagram. Right? This is in the Arduino. This is generated from a piece of code in the Arduino. And this thing comes from, this is the sensor. The eyes are here. Right? This is where we're getting this distance from. All right, the rest of the block diagram you should fill in. You also should make a circuit diagram. So we'll pull one of these shields off and you can look at it and make sure you understand the electrical connections. So that's two things to do for the homework. And then the next thing is what we're actually going to do today is the following train is programmed so that this thing, Y desired, is 15 plus 5 times, I think it's sine, of omega t. And omega walks through a bunch of different values. So it runs, there's some nominal value of omega, and it runs for like 30 seconds at that omega, and then it changes omega to the next value and runs at that. And it takes measurements of what y is. So this is what I wanted to do. I want to sort of sinusoidally vary the following distance, and I measure what actually happens. And from that, you should be able to figure out, once you finish your block diagram, what the transfer function is of the rest of the block diagram. We're going to get closed loop data, and from that I want you to figure out what the open loop frequency response is. There's some math you'll have to do to figure it out. All right, let's see how this works, and then we can chat some more about some of the details. All right, so I'm going to hit the reset button, so this guy will come up ready to roll. Okay, running. So you should see the distance sinusoidally varying, which should be sort of further behind and then closer. There's a couple of viewing points on the side. If you want down there, there's a place where you can get in kind of closer to the tables. The front train looks like it's running a little slow. Can you swap out a battery? I have freshly plugged batteries.
Battery looks like it's good. They don't all run perfectly. Hold on.